Welcome to this channel owned by teacher Karigodo Njige from Shinyanga, the manager of literature and the world analyst. Dear listeners, special literature takers and English language literature takers. Welcome to this channel so as to gain knowledge on a novel analysis, or I can say novella analysis, titled A Walk in the Night by Alexi Laguma from South Africa. A Walk in the Night is one of the novel in literature in English used in Tanzania, but I think some of the country in Africa and the other part of Africa use this novella, A Walk in the Night. Yes, the lesson of day is about the short summary or the synopsis of the novella A Walk in the Night by Alex Laguma. This novella talks on the issue of racism in South Africa. That's why Alex Laguma wrote this novella so as to gain knowledge and impart knowledge to the readers and learners of literature in English on how you can struggle against racism in your community or in your country or in your continent. This novella wrote in 1968. It means that before independence of South Africa. We know that South Africa country got its independence in 1994. But this novel wrote in a year whereby the South Africans were suffering with this theme, which is racism. That's why Alex Laguma tried to use his exercise book and pen to send the message to the Boers and also to the colonialists to leave their country or to leave his country, so as his fellow South Africans can live peaceful. And also Alex Laguma wrote these novels so as to mobilize the Africans, all Africans, to struggle against racism, which is done by colonialism in Africa. But still, today's this problem, racism, still a big challenge. Some of the countries, but especially in South Africa, do you see how the Boers or the white people have their lessons, and also South Africans have their lessons and their government? This is still a big challenges. And also you can visit, and even the clubs or the hotel. Those hotels are very expensive. That's why the Boers or the white people can afford to pay the price, but the Africans cannot pay, because that is one of the factors which lead to limit the Africans to go to the white clubs or white hotels. That's why this novella, A Walk in the Night, open our minds on how we can struggle, or on how we can unite, we Africans, to struggle against racism. As the title of the novella it is, A Walk in the Night, meaning that the events in that novella were taken during the night, I mean the same night. That's why Alex Laguma shows some of the characters, Africans and white people's walk during the night. The main character is Michael Adonis. Dear students or dear readers of literature books, when someone asks you about to explain a little bit about a novella, A Walk in the Night, just tell him or her that novella it talks on the issue of racism or racial segregation in South Africa and other parts of Africa. And also you should tell the short history about the author. Alex Laguma was activist, and also he was a politician, and also Alex Laguma was dead on the year of 1980s. Yes, I think it's 1980s. Okay, let me end there, but I remind you to subscribe below this video, and also you can share to the other literature experts so as can learn on this book, or can find the book to read more and see how Alex Laguma addresses his views and ideas. Thank you for listening.